This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Philippone. Total open concept, from the living room to French doors, 2 bedrooms in the front, and preferred bedroom with full bathroom is located in the back of the house, some stainless steel appliances, laundry closet off the kitchen with full-size washer and dryer. The home is being offered in as is where condition with all faults. Seller to make no repairs, all appliances convey in as is condition. All appliances have not been tested for operability. Air-conditioned fan runs but does not produce cold air. French door leading from breakfast area to large wooden deck which leads to a huge backyard for entertaining. September 18, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Philippone at 1757 418 1957.